Hey guys, before getting into the video, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Today, our video is about Fountain Plaza, which is located in Egmore, Chennai. If you're looking for an old mall in Chennai, this is one of them. And there are two entrances. One is which we saw now, and the other one is the side gate. And if you're bringing in your vehicle, definitely you can park it over there. And of course, let's get into the plaza now. And yes, you can see the entrance here. Of course, due to COVID, you need to wear your mask when you're coming into the plaza because it's for the safety purpose. This is the other entrance to the mall, and here you can park your bikes and cars as well. So of course, people who are coming by bike or car do come into the next entrance. So this will help you to get your vehicles get parked, and definitely you need to pay around like 10 rupees to park your vehicles. And you can see the shops. Let's see the shops inside Fountain Plaza. Here you get whatever fashions have come in, all kinds of new fashions that is in the market, you find it here. You might see that it is not equal to a mall, but still the shops will have all the updated products that is there in the market. So of course people, especially college people and office goers, say college guys like from Stella or Ethraj or WCC, MOP, they come here without fail to get all the updated clothes and accessories to be purchased. When I went for shopping, I found like few shops were closed, but very few because of this COVID situation. But most of the shops were open, and you can see like you get everything here, starting from accessories, bags, uh, anything what you want. Definitely you get it here. And we were just walking through the plaza, and here you also have tailors, okay, so and here the bag shops, okay. You get all kinds of bags, starting from a college bag, office bags, and of course kids bag as well. And when we were walking through, we found so much of discounts available, and nighties were provided at a very good discount, all cotton nighties. And of course you need to come here, and you can see tailoring also happening here. And you have lovely slipper shops here. Ladies, if you're going to come, ladies and girls, if you're going to come here, definitely you're going to love the slipper and kurta shops here. And of course you get bottoms also. Kurtas, the designs which you have here, you will not get anywhere outside, okay. And there are sari shops as well, cotton, nice khadi materials also is available here. So you can see few of the videos which I have taken on kurtas. Guys, this is one of my favorite shop, and you get such a lot of cute things here. The things that are available here, starting from a hairband, clip, or bag, or any accessories, it's all imported, okay. So you don't get it anywhere else. And this shop name is called as Rajesh. If you're looking for a cute chicken curry kurtas, definitely do visit here. They have good offers as well, and you can see it. So this is a mobile accessory shop which is located inside Fountain Plaza, and you will find such lovely, beautiful, cute mobile covers here, and you'll just love it, guys. See the designs you have. Not only mobile, they have for iPad also, I suppose, and all the accessories, whatever accessories you're looking for, cute ones, you get it here. You can just check out this. Like I said before, there are lovely tailors here for both men and women. There's a bindi shop here, and definitely you have to try this. You get all kinds of bindis here, and this shop is full of bindis and bindis alone. Let's see other side of the plaza as well, and here you find different kinds of shops like tailoring, slippers, and here you can find this Mac footwear. Okay, so you get lovely footwears here. Do try the shop. You get it at a very very reasonable price, and you can definitely bargain if you're good at bargaining here. In this shop you get like all kinds of bottoms for women. Any new designs that's come into the market, you find it here. With any color you want, you get it from here. Different types of bottoms, starting from palazzos, jeggings, leggings, whatever you want, you get it here. You just need to go and select the styles you require, the color you require, and the size that you require. After you finish the shopping, definitely we need to have food, right? So here we have come to have something to eat, and here this is the parking area, and we are going to get into Ajnabi to have some good snack. And here you can see some bel puri that we have ordered. The taste that you have here is not seen anywhere else. You cannot have this taste anywhere else. And we ordered some more things for the day, and of course they look delicious, right? Thank you guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in another video. Bye.